Shoot the baby immediately.
That's not soon enough.
Pew, 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 pew. Gremlins away. Pew, 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 pew.
Ah.
Hey, you surface lickers. Pew, pew. Ugh. What is this? Shing. Boo, boo. Ugh, let me go. Why am I even stuck in the first place? I try not to damage good parts. Why is she freaking British? Anyways, more parts like hers are even more valuable than you think. Uzi, I don't like you. You don't want to hurt her. A big slimy worm will come out of there if you're not careful. Ugh. I really want to die right now, bro. Please spare me of this eternal pain. This is so great, I swear. You don't want to get hurt that one.